Hi, my name is Emily and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Try ACV Gummy before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Try ACV Gummy is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Try ACV Gummy from, because Try ACV Gummy is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Try ACV Gummy and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Try ACV Gummy works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will natural method that supports weight loss. After reaching your weight loss goals, take Try ACV Gummy for 3 to 5 months to stabilize appetite and maintain your new, slim body. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Try ACV Gummy and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Try ACV Gummy for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Try ACV Gummy to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Try ACV Gummy has no side effects since it is natural. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Try ACV Gummy from, and also if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Try ACV Gummy actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes.